What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. There's a power bank for your Apple Watch. So let's open up this FLAGPOWER power bank here. It does come with a flat ribbon micro USB cable here, so you would be able to charge it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in, give it a little bit of a charge, and then we'll see if it actually works with an Apple Watch. Well, here's the charger, and let's take another close look at it. Plastic housing, you can see that the wireless charging pad is there. This side is just all sealed up. It's a nice round plastic. And then on this side, we have a little pleather loop, so you can hold on to it from there. We have micro USB charging, LED indicator, and then a power button right there. And this is 1000 milliamp hours, and I do have my Apple Watch here, which is the latest generation, and I think it's basically 296 milliamp hour battery that's on board here. So basically 300 milliamp hours. So if this is 1000, we should be able to get 3 charges on this. So this is actually awesome because it's really small. You can see how small it is compared to the Apple Watch itself. And you could go on a weekend trip or a business trip and not even have to worry about plugging this in. This should be able to charge it up, 3-4 days maybe. I've noticed that when I'm wearing my watch, I always charge it at the end of the day, but a lot of times I have 60-70% charge left at the end of the day, and so you won't have to do anything but top it off. So if I just put it on there, you can see it's magnetic and holds it in place, but it's not charging. And looks like you hold it down just for a second. Turn it on. And looky there, sucker's charging. That is pretty awesome. So this thing is great. It's gonna go in my travel pack, and it's gonna go with me on all my trips because they do have some of these, but this is the highest quality one I've ever seen. It's just a nice battery capacity. It's super easy to charge and works like a charm. Like I said, I could put a little carabiner or something in there too. So if you have an Apple Watch and you travel at all, I think you want to pick one of these up ASAP. And to do that, I'm going to make it really easy. I'm going to put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.